Okay, how about a quick unboxing? I have a Coach purse that I got last year, Cyber Monday, and it was actually a late birthday gift because the pandemic hit, and unfortunately, I wanted to go to a Coach outlet store about an hour away, and we were going to do that. My birthday's in February, but by toward the end of the summer, I realized, well, that's not going to happen. So we measured the purse that I was carrying, and I picked one that I thought I'd love. I'll do a review on that one later. I do still love it, but I'll do a review. You'll see. So I was online and I seen something, and I waited till after I ordered it, and then told it, surprise, I ordered a new purse. So let's do a quick unboxing of my new purse. And I bought some bags recently, and there's a couple that I haven't even done videos on yet, so I can't wait to show you guys. When my girls were young, I never got to splurge and buy anything like this. Heck, I was lucky if I got new socks, because money was always tight. We were always buying things for them. And I don't have the camera up high, so I'm trying to bend down because I wanted you to be able to see the purse. So that's why the camera's at a weird angle. Now, but then here recently, I've gotten to the point where I just think, I'm getting a great deal because I'm looking at surprise sales and online store or online shopping, that type of thing. So let's see what I got. Okay, so this is the Kailey, and it says comparable value $3.98. And I got it at the outlet. I liked the two different straps. I like being able to put it, on my elbow, but I like being able to just kind of throw it across me if we're busy and I'm trying to look at something with both hands. Sometimes I just don't want to hold my purse. So there are a couple of different things that I look for when I get a purse. And I'm kind of sad that I was hoping this was going to be a little bit bigger, and maybe day to day, maybe I'll love this more. I really thought it was just a smidge bigger, but that's just me with measurements. I could make the joke, and it would be a totally adult joke, that, guys are always telling us sizes all the time, so maybe that's why we make mistakes. Cleaned up version. I'm going to grab some scissors. I'll be right back. Not that I had to tell you guys I was going to grab scissors, because other than me pausing it, I'm not sure you would have really cared, but I do love how they put wrap on everything to protect the purse until you get it. Even things like this, where you're going to hook a strap, they even have protection on these things here. And again, over here, this is for the one strap, and so again, they've even got that protected. The zipper also had protection on it, and wow, and then they actually have plastic on it as well. So they were really going to make sure nothing got scratched until you scratched it. Oh, it's more like shrink wrap, so give me a second. And again, make sure nothing gets dirty or scratched. So that's the one thing I've noticed when I've ordered, if I order a cheap purse online, or even ordering it on the big box stores, you don't get this. So it's definitely kind of nice. And I'll tell you, after I got my other purse, I liked it even more when they soften up just a little bit. Sorry, I was trying to let you see me unwrapping, and I've cut off my head. And again, more wrap so it protects every little piece of the purse. So well, it doesn't look big, but okay. I saved the little Silka packets. We'll talk about that one day on another video. But I like to put them in my jewelry armoire. I like to put them if we're going on vacation and I'm packing like excess jewelry or purses or anything like that. I like to use these. So save them if you got kids. Just watch where you put them. Make sure they know it's not. And again, more packing on all the little zippers and things. So the other thing to think about when you order Coach is, I was looking for this. Every time you buy Coach, they have one hidden somewhere inside the item. And if you don't find this, or make sure that you have taken it out, you will set off beepers in other stores. So you want to find that. I was looking for it. I knew it was in there. And then, of course, all these little things. I do know people that save these, so if they want to sell the item, they have them. I don't normally save them. Maybe I should. I don't know. It's definitely bigger. I have the Abbey, and I'll do a video on it when I get ready to switch over, but I love the Abbey, but I needed something wider. I struggle sometimes to dig excess. You know, I have reading glasses, and so every now and then when I'm at the store, I'm trying to get glasses out. Well, sometimes I have to pull my wallet out. I have to pull my wipes out, and just to get to one other item. So, oh, I like that. It's a magnet to close it. Did you see these right here? They're on the other side too. And cute little hang tag. And again, a little protection there. Oh, more shrink wrap. I'll take that off here in a second. So I'll get real close. I think they call this the pebbled leather. I like that it has the little feet. And you know, it's not as big as what I thought it was, but I'll be honest with you, I do kind of like the size. I'm in yard clothes, by the way, so don't judge. I'd gotten this and I decided I wanted just to unbox it. So, yeah, I really like it. So, this is the Kailey Carry All, and hopefully you guys really liked it. I'll put the link, and I think this was bubblegum. I was looking on the tag and I can't find the name, but I'm pretty sure this is bubblegum. I got this at the outlet. I will go ahead and try to remember to link that in the description below. And when I get ready to switch over, I will show you the Abbey and tell you what I like and what I don't about the Abbey. The Abbey is back, though. I hadn't seen it back because a friend of mine fell in love with mine, and so I hadn't seen it back since Cyber Monday in 2020. And so this purse still has the same feel. Of course, it's a little stiff, but it will they do soften up as you start to carry them. And I always like the pink, so I do need to probably think about buying a black one, but I'm gonna go ahead. I should, you know, and I should buy a black purse too, but I'm gonna go ahead, jump off here, and I gotta plant some flowers, so I'm gonna go ahead and run outside real quick and plant a pot, and then I'll talk to you guys later. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll have to show you some of the tote bags that I bought recently. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Talk soon. Bye.